Amazon Echo Buds Review. Experience ultimate convenience with Echo Buds Alexa integration. Wireless earbuds with Alexa? Absolutely. Echo Buds bring hands-free control for music, calls, and smart home at a budget-friendly price, and we were impressed. Echo Buds offer rich sound, clear calls, noise reduction, lightweight comfort, ideal for music or calls. Echo Buds deliver multi-point pairing, Alexa commands, 20-hour battery, customizable controls, privacy, and eco-friendliness. Unbox Echo Buds, charge, pair via Bluetooth, customize an Alexa app for optimal sound experience. Echo Buds offer customizable tap controls via Alexa app for playlists, music, and Alexa routines. Echo Buds, at $49.99, provide 20-hour battery, rich sound, Alexa integration, customizable controls, rivaling pricier brands' features. Impressed by Alexa integration, customizable EQ, and multi-point pairing, Echo Buds offer great sound quality for under $50. Despite no ANC and USB-C cord, they're an excellent choice for budget-conscious Alexa users.
Go to GearBrain for more information.